Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how I made this really delicious and easy chicken pies, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Firstly, all you have to do is to heat up your frying pan, and add some vegetable oil. Feel free to use any type of oil, but that's what I'm using. And I'm adding some chopped onions, and then I'm going to add my carrots. After frying the chopped onions for like a few minutes, I'm going to add my carrots and also my chopped potatoes. So I've already boiled my chicken breast and shredded them, so that's what I'm adding right now. And then I'm just going to season this a little bit. I really don't like seasoning it a lot, so I'm only adding a little bit of salt, a little bit of thyme, a little bit of curry. I'm gonna add some garlic and then 2 Maggi cubes. That's all I added to it. And I added some all-purpose flour just to make everything stick together. And then I had to change the frying pan as that one was quite small. And then I added a little bit of water and let it cook for about 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, this is what it is looking like. And we're just going to leave that alone to cool down. So in the mixing bowl, I've got my plain flour, my butter, and some salt, and I'm just going to mix this up together until it becomes like crumbs. And then I'm going to be adding cold water little by little, because you don't want it to be too much. You kind of want it to still be rough but also properly mixed with the water, if that makes sense. So I'm not kneading it, I'm literally just trying to mold it together. At this point, you can actually put it in your fridge. If you've got 30 minutes to spare, you can put this in your fridge for 30 minutes and then bring it out. But this is how I'm doing mine anyways. And I'm just going to roll it out. It's not very stretchy, so it can tear up easily. So you have to be very careful. So I'm just cutting out small circles. Feel free to use bigger ones or smaller ones. It depends on you. It's your preference that matters. And then I'm going to add my filling to the middle of the circle and then cover it up with the other circles. Try not to fill it up too much, because then it's just not gonna look nice, and the filling is gonna start coming out of the pastry, and you don't want that. And I'm just going to use my fork to pinch the edges together. So I'm just brushing these with some egg wash, and then I'm going to place them in the oven. Feel free to make some holes in the middle of the pies. For the first batch, which is what you're seeing right now, I didn't, and they actually turned out to be inflated. And for the second batch, which I'm going to show you guys, they actually turned out quite nice and non-inflated. Well, yeah. This is how the second batch turned out to be. It was really nice. It was yummy, had no sugar, but it was still sweet and, you know, juicy and nice and everything. So I actually hope you guys try out this recipe and let me know how it goes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Also share this video with your family and friends, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.